This is the Intellibeam unboxing for the Apple iPad Air 3rd generation, model MUUJ2LL/A. This one's in space gray, comes in 2 other colors. And then your iPad Pro Smart Keyboard, model number MPTL2LL/A. So first we'll open up the iPad, see what we got in the box, and then we'll go for the keyboard. So this particular model is 64 gigs of storage. If you want, it goes all the way up to 256. So inside we have the iPad itself, a Lightning to USB adapter, the Quick Start Guide info, and then your USB power adapter. Let's clear this out of here. Here's the iPad itself. So this version has a 10.5-inch Retina Display, A12 Bionic chipset, up to 10 hours of use time depending on what you're doing, an 8-megapixel camera here in the rear. So let's go ahead, open up the keyboard, see what we got. Once again, Quick Start Guide in fancy watch size shaping. And then the keyboard itself. So this version is only compatible with the Apple iPad Air and I believe just the more expensive iPad that just came out. Here's the keyboard itself. It's kind of a gray felt material, so just remember if you're getting some pink iPad and you care about colors, it's going to clash, look kind of funny. So there it is. You have your adapter that you plug the iPad into here. This doesn't have a battery, it uses it from your iPad. So let's plug it in. And then flips up like that, all nice and magnetic. Then you can type away. And then when you're done, you can close it up. And then it doubles as a case. Basically for the front of the screen, obviously not the rear. So there you have it, just a quick unboxing of the Apple iPad Air 3rd generation, model MUUJ2LL/A, and the iPad Pro Smart Keyboard, model MPTL2LL/A by Intellibeam. Technology of tomorrow, today.